Jan 2020, due to lockdown situation, sudden changes to our normal life globally except few essential industries, agriculture, healthcare, pharmacy, vaccine etc. Hit to the economy globally, jobless situation for most of the workers, one disease one novel virus no vaccine yet. Let us watch the current situation with small story and future.
Hello.
Hi Tommy, this is Jimmy. How are you?
I am good, Gimme. It's almost 3 weeks now. I am at home with my boss and his family. Missing you so much.
Yet. I too feeling sad without seeing you. Can we meet at the park today?
Jimmy, don't you know the reason why we are at home along with our boss?
No Tommy, not aware about it.
I am regularly reading updates from government websites. One new virus is spreading and it's impacting humans badly across worldwide.
Name of the virus is Corona and it's also called as COVID-19.
Oh. Really? If our boss stays inside the house, won't impact him?
Let me explain how it's spreading in detail. Transmitted through person-person contact with respiratory droplets from coughing and sneezing. These droplets may also travel in air approximately 1 meter and quickly settles on surfaces or any objects. When a person touches on any object having droplets, he or she will be infected immediately.
How do find out whether any person in my house is infected or not?
Jimmy, there are several symptoms to find out whether the person is infected or not: fever, dry cough, tiredness, difficulty in breathing.
Good to know, Tommy. How to prevent it? Do we have only option staying at home?
Not really, Jimmy. Everyone have to stay home and obey the government orders. So, the government will take necessary steps to ensure the patient count is reduced and no more new patients. For your next question, I will explain with few pointers on preventing it. 1. Obey government orders. 2. Stay at home during lockdown period. 3. Wear mask and keep self-distancing while going outside. 4. Avoid gathering in crowd. 5. Don't touch on eyes, nose and mouth without washing your hands. 6. A person who have any travel history from November 2019, March 2020, do self-quarantine for 14 to 28 days to avoid spreading and inform appropriate government officials for monitoring. 7. Any age people have an impact but elderly people should take extra precaution as their immunity is low and may have other diseases too. 8. If a person have any corona symptoms, call medical emergency numbers and admit in hospital immediately for treatment. 9. If a person is confirmed with corona after testing, their contacts from last 14 days will be identified for quarantine and tested. 10. Don't spit on public places. 11. Sneeze into your elbow, not on your hand when the tissue is not handy. Covering your mouth prevents the spread of infectious germs. 12. Follow YUSH guidelines for corona to boost immunity. www.moth.gov.in web link.
Thanks Tommy for your detailed preventive steps. But my boss feels bored and jobless. What are the options that you are suggesting during lockdown period?
Sure, Jimmy. I will provide you with some best ideas.
1. Don't be idle. 2. Don't spend much time on watching movies. 3. Spend time with family. 4. Learn, adapt and improvise. 5. Focus on 5's implementation: sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain, in your home. 6. Spend time with friends using social media. 7. Do yoga and physical exercise in home. 8. Try different recipes and post in social media. 9. Create new online courses to help others. 10. Conduct and attend online useful sessions. 11. Avoid going out if it's not necessary.
12. Play indoor games. 13. Watch live news for some time to know the current situation. 14. Install a Rajya Setu app and feed your details to fight against COVID-19. 15. Volunteer yourself to assist government on ideas, solutions and donate to fight against corona. www.mygov.in web link 16. Spend time on updating business plans to tackle this situation.
Thanks Tommy for providing useful ideas to do during lockdown period. How long it will take to ensure that we are back to normal life?
Once the curve is flattened, then government may order to run the business with strict guidelines. But definitely it may take from months to years to come back our normal pre-corona life.
Understand Tommy. What are the highly impacted areas that you see due to this disease?
There is a slowdown across all businesses due to cash flow. All inefficient employees may lose their job. Focus on upskill. All luxury products across most of the industries, forex, automobiles, hotels, malls, cinema theaters, real estates etc., will impact badly. But this will also go away and industries will boom again sooner. Finally Jimmy, I want to conclude, don't panic. Keep your head steady, this hardship which you are going through, shall too, come to an end sooner.
Thanks Tommy. Hope everyone enjoys with this awareness video. Eat traditional food and stay safe and healthy.